If you're hesitant about making soap due to the need for lye, there's good news. You can create high-quality bars without ever handling it yourself. By using melt and pour or rebatched soap bases, which already have lye incorporated, you can still customize your soap easily and avoid the hassle. Choose from various soap bases like honey, goat milk, or glycerin, and add your favorite essential oils for fragrance, skipping those that can irritate the skin like cinnamon, pine, or lemon. You can also incorporate natural colorants, such as madder root or beetroot powder, to give your soap a pop of color. To make melt and pour soap without lye, first cut your soap base block into manageable pieces, aiming for chunks of about 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters, in width and height. Melt the chopped up soap base using a double boiler or microwave the pieces until they have completely liquefied. Then blend in your essential oils. As a general rule of thumb, the amount of essential oil you add should be about 3% of the soap's overall weight. Finally, add in your color until the mixture reaches your desired shade, starting with a few drops of liquid dye or about 1/2 tablespoon, roughly 1 gram, of powdered colorant. When you're happy with the shade, pour the mixture into molds. Spritz the tops with 99% isopropyl rubbing alcohol to eliminate any air bubbles, and let the soap set completely in the mold until it's solid, about 6 hours. With these simple steps, you can enjoy creating personalized soaps without the safety concerns of working with lye.